Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the classic perfect chocolate chip cookie recipe. I like cookies. Let's make it. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Prepare your cookie sheet. We're going to grease so the parchment does not stick. You go over here. First step of the cookie dough process, we're going to mix together our dry ingredients. In a large bowl, we're going to mix together our flour, baking soda, and salt. Mix it up real good. Set it off to the side. Take. In a stand mixer, paddle attachment, we're going to add in some softened butter. Cream it up. We're going to put in both sugar and brown sugar, but I'm using a combo of light brown and very dark brown, but you can do either one. Which one works for you? Mix again. Scrape down the sides. Now we're going to put in vanilla extract and 2 whole eggs. Mixy mix. Scrape down the sides one more time. Bring back the dry ingredients that we mixed up earlier. Now I'm going to start adding parts of it in batches into our butter, sugar, and egg mixture. You cannot forget the chocolate chips. Add as much as your heart feels is right. Mix. Now, of course, before we bake the cookies, you have to eat the cookie dough first. Scoop pieces of dough onto your tray. You can choose the size that you want them, but just so you know, the time will vary. Top with more chocolate if desired. Time to go in the oven. Who ate that cookie? This is what I like to do with cookies. I like to smack it on the counter because it kind of evens it out. Don't forget the recipes in the description box below, and I hope you guys enjoy.